So last class we have discussed regarding the lymphoma. So lymphoma is a solid cohesive mass. Okay, lymphoma is a solid cohesive mass which is confined in lymph organs. Okay, lymph organs में जो सॉलिड कोई टाइप का कैंसर सेल्स ओरिजिनेट होता है उसको हमने लिम्फोमा बोला था. सो लिम्फोमा एंड ल्यूकेमिया बोथ आर सेम, बट द कैंसर सेल्स व्हिच आर ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द lymph glands, these are lymphoma, and cancer cells which are originate from the blood cells, these are leukemia. blood cells, okay, blood cells से ओरिजिनेट हो गए तो ल्यूकेमिया होता है. सो अगर lymph glands से हो गए तो लिम्फोमा होते हैं. लिम्फोमा में चेंजेस इनटू द ल्यूकेमिया, आइदर ल्यूकेमिया में चेंजेस इनटू द लिम्फोमा. लिम्फोमा हो गए तो ल्यूकेमिया भी हो सकते हैं, ल्यूकेमिया से लिम्फोमा भी होता है. ये किस तरीके से होता है मैं कल एक्सप्लेन किया पूरा इसका डिटेल्स. सो टुडे वी आर डिस्कस रिगार्डिंग द हॉटकिंस एंड नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा. देयर आर two types in lymphoma, Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Hodgkin's lymphoma and one more is non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. These both are lymphomas, but there is a little bit difference between the Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. So what are the differences? So Hodgkin's lymphoma, these are nodal involvement. Both lymphomas are originated from the lymph nodes or lymph organs, but there is a little bit difference. Hodgkin's lymphoma that forms the nodal involvement, means these Hodgkin's lymphoma originate from the nodal involvement, nodals present in the lymph glands. From the nodals the cancer cells are originated, that these cells are originated from the nodals. These are the Hodgkin's lymphoma. These non-Hodgkin's lymphoma originated from the extranodal involvement. Okay. नोडल से एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट को भी स्प्रेड होता है नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा में. ओके, नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा नोडल से अलावा दूसरा सराउंडिंग स्ट्रक्चर पार्ट से भी स्प्रेड होता है जल्दी से जल्दी, बट हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा ओनली नोडल में इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, दिस हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा इज ऑर्डरली involved. Okay, this non Hodgkin's lymphoma is randomly involved. Okay, randomly involved. Okay, orderly involved, randomly involved means in human body. Okay, here cervical lymphoma होता है इधर. Okay, next here at the site of sternum, supraclavicular lymph organs होता है. Okay, here inguinal lymph glands होता है. Here femoral lymph glands होता है, femoral, and in the stomach, intestine, abdomen में mesenteric lymph glands होता है, mesenteric lymph gland. Okay, these Hodgkin's lymphomas are by the orderly involved and non-Hodgkin's lymphomas are randomly involved. Okay, the difference is that, for example, the Hodgkin's lymphomas are originated from the cervical lymphoma, then it is transferred to the supraclavicular lymphoma, then to the inguinal lymphoma, then to the femoral and inguinal. Order wise spread होता है Hodgkin's lymphoma. Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, it is randomly involved. If suppose the lymphoma is originated from the cervical, then directly it is spread to the femoral lymphoma. There is no order. Okay, there is no order in the non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. That is a randomly involved, and orderly involved means by order wise. फर्स्ट सर्वाइकल लिम्फोमा को हो गए तो इसका नजदीक वाला लिम्फोमा सुप्राक्लेविकुलर लिम्फोमा को स्प्रेड होता है। ओके, इस तरीके से ऑर्डरली इन्वॉल्व होता है हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा। ओके, रैंडमली इन्वॉल्व होता है नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा। ओके, ये क्यों इस तरीके से होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमास आर स्प्रेड बाय द लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम। लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम से स्प्रेड होता है। ओके, दिस नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा स्प्रेड बाय द ब्लड वेसल्स। ये ब्लड वेसल्स से स्प्रेड होता है। सो दैट्स व्हाई लिम्फ नोड्स, सर्वाइकल लिम्फ नोड से ओके सुप्रा ऑर्बिटल लिम्फ नोड्स पे आता है, सुप्रा ऑर्बिटल से मेसेंट्रिक से इंग्वाइनल एंड फ्यूमरल लिम्फ नोड्स। लिम्फ नोड्स एक दूसरे का लिम्फ नोड्स को ज्वाइंट होते हैं। सो लिम्फ ड्रेनेज से स्प्रेड हो गए तो ऑर्डरली इन्वॉल्व होता है, अगर ब्लड वेसल से स्प्रेड हो गए तो रैंडमली इन्वॉल्व होता है। सो these Hodgkin's lymphomas are spread by the orderly because these Hodgkin's lymphomas spread by the lymphatic system and non-Hodgkin's lymphomas spread by the blood vessels. That's why these are the orderly involved and these are the randomly involved. Okay, next, Hodgkin's lymphomas are rare lymphomas. Rarely ये spread होता है। So but in non-Hodgkin's lymphomas, okay, this is the most commonly spread to the pharynx. Okay, pharynx को भी spread होता है and abdomen को भी spread होता है। Okay, in abdomen the lymph node is mesenteric lymph node. Okay, and in the pharynx older ring formation. Okay, the non-Hodgkin's lymphomas that commonly form the older ring lymphoma and mesenteric lymphoma, but this type of lymphomas or this type of cancer are very rare in the Hodgkin's lymphoma. Hodgkin's lymphoma में rarely involve होता है pharynx and abdomen. Okay, next, Hodgkin's lymphomas are most probably seen in the males, old age में देखने को मिलता है। and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is most commonly seen in the children and adult. This difference is very important. Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma दोनों lymphomas है, but इसमें थोड़ा फर्क है। So Hodgkin's lymphoma nodal involvement होता है, these are the extranodal involvement, these are orderly involved, these are randomly involved. Okay, these are spread by the lymphatic system, these are spread by the blood vessels. So that's why these non-Hodgkin's lymphomas are rarely involved to the pharynx and mesenteric, but non-Hodgkin's lymphomas commonly involved to the pharynx and the abdomen. Then non-Hodgkin's lymphoma most probably occur to the children and adult, and Hodgkin's lymphoma in the old age. Okay. Next, the Hodgkin's lymphomas are not probably transferred to the central nervous system. Okay. Central nervous system में उसका स्प्रेड होने के चांसेस बहुत कम है, बिकॉज दिस इज स्प्रेड बाय द लिम्फेटिक। ओके, लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम से स्प्रेड होता है, लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम से स्प्रेड होने से ब्रेन में एंटर होने के चांसेस बहुत कम है। ओके, लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम से स्प्रेड होता है। ये नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा ब्लड वेसल से स्प्रेड होता है। सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली अपीयर इन द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम। सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से जल्दी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है। Okay, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. So non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is a harmful lymphoma. Hodgkin's lymphoma is a harmless lymphoma. Okay, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma को harmful बोल सकते हैं, ये harmless बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये central nervous system को spread होता है non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Okay, that's why the diagnosis is very late में diagnose होता है non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, but in Hodgkin's lymphoma it is a diagnosis is confirmed in very early stage में confirm होता है, because there is no involvement of the central nervous system का involvement rarely हो सकता है। Okay, then Hodgkin's lymphoma is present in the old age people and it is common in children and adult. Okay, next, Hodgkin's lymphoma caused by the this is mainly caused by the Epstein-Barr viruses. Okay, Hodgkin's lymphoma is mainly by the Epstein-Barr viruses, and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma caused by HIV infection and immunodeficiency disorders. Immunodeficiency disorders. Immunodeficiency disease. Okay. हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा का मेन कॉजेस है एप्स्टीन बार वायरसेस. नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा किस चीज के होता है? एचआई इन्फेक्शन से नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा होने के चांसेस होता है. इम्यूनोलॉजिकल डेफिशिएंसी और इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी डिसऑर्डर से भी नॉन हॉटकिंस लिम्फोमा होने का चांसेस होता है. बिकॉज एप्स्टीन बार वायरसेस okay, these causes the B cells of the common lymphoid stem cells. Okay, B cells common lymphoid stem cells से रिलीज होता है. Okay, that changes B cells into neoplastic cells because Epstein-Barr viruses के ऊपर एक प्रोटीन होता है. Epstein-Barr viruses contains type of protein that binds with the B cells. B cells contains CD21 receptors. Okay, these receptors present on the B cells and there is a certain specialized protein present on the Epstein-Barr viruses. This specialized protein attached with the CD21 receptors on the B cells. Then this changes the nucleus of the B cells into this changes B cells of the nucleus into this type. This is called as oval eye shape. Oval eye shaped nucleus changes करता है. This oval eye shaped nucleus is called as Reed-Steinberg cells. Reed-Steinberg cells. Okay, Reed-Steinberg cells. Okay, these Reed-Steinberg cells are the main etiological factors for the Hodgkin's lymphoma in the old age people. Okay, so Hodgkin's lymphoma mainly होता है because of the Reed-Steinberg cells. What are the Reed-Steinberg cells? These are the oval eye-shaped structure because of the Epstein-Barr viruses protein attachment with the B cells receptors like CD21 receptors. Okay, this changes the nucleus of the B cells into oval eye shape. Means double nucleus. The nucleus is cleavage, then that appears like a oval eye shape. Then this oval eye shaped appearance of the nucleus are called as Reed-Steinberg cells. Okay, these Reed-Steinberg cells are the main cells for that changes the B cells into neoplastic cells. Okay, B cells को neoplastic cells में convert करता है. So lymphoma mainly B cells में होता है. So B cells these are the lymph cells है. B cells lymph cells है, इसलिए वो lymphoma नाम से ये बुलाते हैं. Okay, these are the main difference between the Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Okay, Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma both are the lymphomas, but these are nodal involvement, these are extranodal involvement, these are harmless, these are harmful, these are spread by the lymphatic system, these are spread by the blood vessels. Okay, these are not most probably appear on the central nervous system, so diagnosis is very early confirmed. Then these are spread by the blood vessels, so that's why it is immediately transferred to the brain, so that may lead to the late confirmation of the non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Okay, next it is the most commonly appear in the old age, that is the children and adult. Okay, and these are main etiological factor for Hodgkin's lymphoma, Epstein-Barr viruses. Then these are the HI infection and immunological disorders. Okay, this is the main difference of the Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Okay, next the etiological factors for Hodgkin's lymphoma or non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Hodgkin's lymphoma. Etiological factor. Etiology of Hodgkin's lymphoma. Okay, Hodgkin's lymphoma mainly caused by Epstein-Barr viruses. Okay, Epstein-Barr viruses, because Epstein-Barr viruses contains latent protein. This is specialized protein that is called as latent protein. This latent protein gives attachment to the B cells. Okay, gives attachment to the B cells. Then the B cells nucleus are cleavage that forms the oval eye shape. This type. Then oval eye shaped cells are called as Reed-Steinberg cells. Reed-Steinberg cells. These Reed-Steinberg cells are changes into the neoplastic cells. neoplastic cells. Okay, these are the main etiological. Epstein-Barr varices is the main etiological factors for the lymphoma. So next is unknown factor. Okay, there is no known factor for the lymphomas. Okay. Next, certain radiological toxins. Certain radiological toxins that may causes the lymphomas. Okay, radiological toxins like ultraviolet rays. Okay, so gamma rays, these all rays may causes the lymphomas. Okay, इस तरह के इसके वजह से लिम्फोमा होने का चांसेस होता है. Okay, this is regarding the lymphoma, and in next class we will discuss regarding the pathophysiological condition, clinical symptoms, and diagnostic evaluation and management of lymphoma. Thank you very much.